So you have already registered your brand with Amazon and you have got a confirmation email from Amazon that your brand XYZ has been approved. As you can see here, I am having 4 registered brands on my Amazon account, but when you go to your Seller Central and you try to use all those features that you can get after brand registry, and they are all still locked. So that is something weird and a stressful thing, because after getting your brand registered, you're still unable to access all those branded features that usually unlocks after getting brand registry, such as storefront. Let me show you. On Amazon, if you click on store and manage store, so after that, when you click on create store, you can get this error that no product listed. If you have recently linked product, it may take up to 72 hours. And after waiting for 72 hours, nothing happens. So in that case, you must have to tell brand registry team that you are a brand registered seller and you want to connect your brand registry to your Seller Central. Because the Amazon brand registry team and seller support team are both different. And you might have noticed that on the email you have signed up for your Seller Central is a different email. And the email you use to sign up for brand registry is different. So both things are different and both accounts are different. So after getting approval from your brand registry, you must have to tell your seller support that you are a registered brand now and you want to connect your brand registry to the Seller Central. So let me show you how you can do this. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So as you are a brand registered seller now, you have to go to Google and type Amazon brand registry. And from there, you have to click on first link, brandservices.amazon.com, where you have filed your brand registry. And from there, you have to click on sign in. And then you have to select your country. I am selecting UK now, but you can select US or anywhere you are. So after logging into your brand registry account, you can see that I am having 4 registered brands. And from the upper tab, you have to click on support and then click on contact brand support. That is the place where you can talk to brand registry technical team. And if you want to talk seller support team, so you have to open a case from your Seller Central. But for brand, you have to open a case from here. So you have to go down, click on technical issue, and here you have to explain your issue with your Amazon token ID. So we can just type the contact reason to connect brand registry with seller. And in briefing tab, you can describe your whole issue in detail. Hi, support, we are a brand registered seller on Amazon now with the brand name XYZ and our Seller Central token is kindly connect our Amazon Seller Central with our brand so we can unlock all the branded features. And here you have to type your email, your phone number and send. But before sending, you have to type your token number here. So to find out your Amazon Seller Central token number, you have to go to your Seller Central and then you have to go to settings and from there you have to click on account info and from there you can see in business information there is a tab called your merchant token, and when you click on that, so you can see that the merchant token is written here. This is your merchant token. So you have to copy that and then you have to paste that token here and then you have to click on this send button. So after clicking on this send button, your case with your brand name and Amazon Seller Central merchant token will be registered in the brand registry case support, and within next 48 hours, they will connect your brand with your Seller Central account. And when you check after 48 hours, your all features like A+ content, video and storefront will be unlocked. So I hope this video will help you guys, but if you're still having any problem with this or any other topic related to Amazon or e-commerce, so you can just ask me anytime in the comment box below. I will surely try to answer each and every question. And if this video helps you solving your problem, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more videos like this. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.